We're glad to know that you are still fine or good today. Before that, we're taking some class. Uh, Nolly Tuyak, 90%. Digia, Patakan, Saria. Okay, you are complete now. And this lesson proper. Okay. Our objective for today is our objective today is understanding the similarities of the difference between English acquisition of Chinese and speakers. B. Analyze the impact of language culture, and culture factors in English learning strategies. And the third one is develop awareness of effectiveness in language learning techniques. But before that class, what if you heard Korean and Chinese, Korean and Chinese? Unsa may kanin yung dali nila malibilo sa English, unsa may mas dali nila maka catch up to lessons English. Any idea or nothing? Okay, thank you. Our topic for today is can you read our topic? Name representative from our group. Take your third year.
Our topic, sir, is comparing examples of Chinese, Korean, and English acquisition.
Okay, thank you, Digia. Our process and results of our objectives comparing examples of Chinese and Korean English procedure. This is a process and result. In one student's experiment done in 2022, dugay na rin siya na ilang experimento sana kanang ilang mga acquisition kung sabay una nila naka-consult English or kung saan na pamaagi. Different. In one is it's about English and first language where tested which these effects of English words, forms of aspects are choreography and phonography. The second part of the experiment is the investigation capacity of investigate capacity to manipulate English sublexical grammatical structure in the opponent. So they say sublexical formation sa ilang pamagi sa kung sa ilang gigamit nga structure, different structures about Korean and Chinese. Their hypothesis that this language express different naglain-lain ilang pamaagi sa second language. Ang first language about sa Korean kay Korean yun sa basa kita anda na to Korean Bisaya first language kasabot sa atong Bisaya na language sa first language na atong kuan. And second is kanang just like talagang school na pamaagi. Siyempre gawin sa ilang pamagi o yun sa nato pag-catch up ang English acquisition. There's some can be more especially related errors among two groups. Dapat sila yung mga kasaypanan sa ilang ipangulupan or sa ilang pamaagi. The Korean ini English second language made of errors recognizing the homophones while the while the Chinese English second language has more confusing of distinguished orthographic similarities. Nasa like ipanggamit sa English sa English second language. Well, talks about homophones. It talks about homophones or homophones or phonology. For example, for this or the different meaning of between six and deep lies in the back of the initial or second first words. Just like six, ito man, S-A-D, yun, ang did, D-E-E, did, yun. Kailangan kuha, same words, pero lahi sila o nga, una or una sa ilang mga words. And the Chinese second language speakers or English second language pay attention to orthographic, nagbanda sila sa orthographic na pamahagi. Orthographic formation dahil sa Korean. Ang orthographic ay dili siya ang pamaagi sa mga Chinese of the second language. The second language experiment of Chinese and Korean college are researchers nila sa ilang analysis of the result. And then ang Korean AXL are highly focuses on phonological na pamaagi ng mga or meaning orthographic information is there's a knowledge beginning or sa mga readers din siya orthographic information ni mo focus sa Chinese second language. And sa Korean, AXL is highly focuses on phonological information showing significant influence from the two first languages. Meaning, recognizing sa homophones o sa orthographic. In Chinese development of knowledge, and orthographic instruction among the beginning of readers or examine the testing of their ability. Only gigamit sa Chinese ang orthographic. Wala sila gagamit ang phonology kaysa sa orthographic. Ang ilang pagkuhanan mas dali sila makakasama. Sa orthographic knowledge, instructors kaysa phonology. Ay ilang ikuan beginning the readers, ang ilang ikuan nagbasa or English second language pay attention to orthographic nagbanda sila sa orthographic na pamahagi orthographic formation dahil sa Korean. Ang orthographic ay dili siya ang pamahagi sa mga Chinese of the second language. The second language experiment of Chinese and Korean college are researchers nila sa ilang analysis of the result. And then ang Korean AXL are highly focuses on phonological na pamaagi ng mga meaning orthographic information is there's a knowledge beginning or sa mga readers din siya orthographic information ni mo focus sa Chinese second language. And sa Korean, AXL is highly focuses on phonological information showing significant influence from the two first language. Meaning, recognizing sa hubos o sa kuan sa orthographic. In Chinese development of knowledge and orthographic instruction among the beginning of readers are examining the testing of their ability. Only gigamit sa Chinese ang orthographic. Wala sila gagamit ang phonology kaysa sa orthographic. Ang ilang pagkuhanan mas dali sila makakatisang. Sa orthographic knowledge, instructors kaysa kuan phonology. Kay ilang ikuan beginning the readers, ang ilang ikuan mas lagi ang ilang iuna ang basa kaysa aron makasabot. In Korean, it means the M is to present the phonological presentation of the entire instruction of words. Ang phonological po siya written na maagi nila, sulat nila daan para makakuha sila o makabilang sila words sa English language kaysa sa Chinese. Overall, the wants and Buddha experiment provided insight into identification skills in Chinese and Korean college students. The finding highlighted the influence of first language background and second language background. Only ilang ginagamit, kaya kanina, orthographic o phonological. Chinese, orthographic, and Korean, phonological. And for now, evaluation, ato pag-evaluate kanino natay mga difference sa unsay mga gamit. Nato yung activity niyo kanyo form into groups. Kaya lang pagdiliya natin pag-aayos tangan Australia and value of 2. I give you a sheet of paper para masihan. Lahat sila ipagpuntan sa mga questions. Ang first question, what is the focus Chinese English second language speakers? And the second question is, what is the focus Korean English learners? And the third question, how Chinese English language speakers differ the Korean learners in terms of orthographic information. Naalaman na rin class, kamunay, kung nasabtan na ninyo, kamunay, salat ninyo dira. I give you 2 minutes for your activity. Give you 2 minutes for Here's that. Answers. One question. Okay, pass the year also. Your conversion. And now, do you understand our lesson for today?
Yeah.
Very good. And now, can you you read this dialogue or your presentation, your understanding?
I can build knowledge of authority topic, structure among beginning, letters, constitution, vital, clearances, balance, is okay. That's it.
Thank you, thank you. And can you read this, Mr. Latin for your
I was in this economics. Figures,
EL? It's
A is here, pay attention to the photographic information that Korean
it's
ASM.
okay. Thank you. Very good. Thank you. Thank you, Kahan. And and that's all for this morning. And I give you an assignment. Assignment for the past for the next meeting. And I sent you in our group chat. Can you check your okay? Please rise for our prayer. Mr. Kuya, can you lead the prayer?
Bako ako naman po na.
Salamat sa ating Diyos. Lord, salamat sa pagkakataon, nagkakansa po lison sa